All right, this is ACT assignment number 3, question number 10. And we have to find the relationship between, find out what is the right equation. I guess it's a relationship that relates the time here and velocity um, in this little table. So there's a there's a bunch of ways to do this, to be honest. One is you could just put in the numbers. So like when t is 0, we should get 120 for a velocity. So like f doesn't work because if I do 32 times 0, that does not give me 120, right? So we basically, that's one of the ways to know that f isn't right. You could keep doing that for all of these. You might have to test a couple points that way, but then you would know for sure if something is right or not. Um, all right, so another way is actually, this is the sequence thing we did before, where this is an arithmetic sequence because it's jumping up 32 each time. Right, so we could use our arithmetic sequence formula, which says a of n equals a1 plus d times n minus 1. So in this case, a1 would be the 152. The common difference would be 32, and then n minus 1. Okay, and so if we clean that up by doing the distributive property, plus 32n minus 32, and then combine the 152 with the 32, so it'd be 120 plus 32n. Okay, and that's basically going to be our answer, right? So it's v and t, I guess. So we could say this is velocity, and then that one is time. So instead of a, n, and n, it's v and t, but it's the same idea, and I think that should get us answer G. The final way to do this is you could think of this as an mx plus b equation, slope-intercept form. And again, I'm using y and x instead of v and t, but it really doesn't matter. And then for that particular equation, our slope is just 32 because each time t goes up 1, this goes up 32. And our y-intercept, our starting point would be there. That's the 0 term. And so that would be b in this case. That would get you your equation. Again, it would just have v and t in the answer instead of x and y. All right. A lot of ways to do that one, but hopefully one of those helped you figure it out. Thanks for watching.